After the VBEAM treatment, your skin will feel quite hot, and this could potentially last a few hours. So we will apply some aloe vera for you, and should it still feel uncomfortable, you can apply a cold compress or ice packs to the area. You may also feel a tingling sensation on the skin. Again, this would subside quite quickly after treatment. Swelling can usually last on average about 2 to 5 days, depending on what we are treating. If we are treating thread veins in particular, this can cause a little bit more swelling. So we would definitely advise ice packs for 24 to 48 hours after treatment, and also to sleep slightly elevated to reduce the swelling from pushing up into the eye area. If this does occur, please do not be alarmed or be worried, but please do contact us if you have any questions regarding the swelling. Bruising is common, particularly when treating thread veins. There are 2 different modes that we use with VBEAM. Most patients would prefer the non-bruising mode. However, with certain veins, the laser can catch the vein and this can result to bruising. Now, this is not a negative side effect. However, it can last about 7 to 10 days on the skin. You may apply makeup the following day should you wish to cover this. But if there are any questions, again, please do contact us. Please apply an SPF 50 as part of your skincare regime. We would advise to avoid any strenuous exercise the day before or 2 days after treatment to ensure that the blood circulation is not increased, as when we're treating veins, this could potentially refill, and also to avoid any irritation or infection or swelling of the treated area. We would also ask you to avoid any swimming for 72 hours after treatment. We would also advise to avoid any aspirin or Nurofen or alcohol at least 72 hours prior to treatment. Hypo or hyperpigmentation may occur, however, this generally tends to be temporary. If you are planning to go abroad, we would advise to book in your treatment 2 weeks prior to going away, and on your return, we would need to wait on average about 4 to 6 weeks prior to proceeding with your next treatment. No fake tans or sunbeds are allowed to be used during the course of your treatment. If you had not had a treatment within 6 months, you will need to attend the clinic for another patch test to then resume treatment again. If any scabs or blisters occur, please do not pick them, and we would advise you to contact the clinic immediately. If there is any change in your medication, please advise your practitioner as soon as possible to ensure that medication that you are taking is not photosensitive. When we're treating leg veins, the redness can persist for several weeks, including the swelling as well. So if this does occur, please do not worry. However, if you have any questions, again, you can feel free to contact us. On average, we would recommend a course of 3 to 6 treatments, depending on which concern we are treating, and this will be spaced every 4 to 6 weeks. We would need to do a patch test 48 hours prior to commencing treatment. Your maintenance sessions may occur every 3 to 12 months, again, depending on what we are treating. For men, we would advise to shave the day before treatment in order to avoid any skin sensitivity.